I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Nativity is a family festival and we would all love to celebrate it in a traditional way. The Mangalorean Christian community celebrates this festival as a harvest festival and also the birth of Mother Mary. Today I'm excited to share with you that special recipe which is a must-have dish in the Nativity menu. So come on, let's get started and stay tuned till the end of the video. I am going to share all the tips and tricks to make this dish delicious. So first, here I have the fresh amaranth that I have bought from Udpi market. So I just need the stems of this. So I am going to use this leaves to prepare a simple stir fry dish, not for nativity, for some other day. Next, I am going to take you to my balcony to take out the Colocasia stem. So this dish is called Alun Dento. Alun is the Colocasia stem and Dento is the Amaranth stem. I've got some hog plums here. So I have cleaned the hog plums. I have just scraped off the brown part and washed it thoroughly in 2 to 3 rounds of water. This is the important ingredient for this Alun Dento preparation.
I want to show you something very special growing right here in my balcony, a fully grown Colocasia plant. Many of us may have seen Colocasia in market, but this one I have nurtured at home. This particular variety I have is the black stemmed Colocasia, which is considered to be less itchy compared to the common variety and also good for cooking. Colocasia leaves and stem are not only tasty in traditional recipes but also come with several health benefits due to its rich dietary fibers, good for digestion, rich in vitamin C that helps to boost the immune system. I will use the leaves for preparing patrade. Growing this plant at home or in your balcony is very rewarding. It's fresh, chemical free and can always pluck the leaves or stem whenever you want. Please do like, subscribe and follow my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipe and stay tuned till the end of this video. Let me crush the hog plums, an important ingredient in cooking this dish to balance its slightly sharp taste. This souring agent, locally we call it ambado, it's in season and if you cannot find it, you're free to add tamarind. Now let's clean the amaranth stem. Usually during nativity, it's hard to find a good amaranth stem due to heavy rains. I am lucky enough to find one. I will separate the leaves and use it for some other day. In this recipe, we use only the stems. Remove the fibrous outer skin, cut it into big pieces, wash and keep it aside. There are 2 different types of amaranth stem available. One is green in color and one is red in color. So you can use any one. This amaranth looks very hard and you may think it takes time for cooking, but trust me, it cooks very fast. Since it's just the beginning of the amaranth season, the amaranth stem is very soft. Now let's clean the Colocasia stem. It's always better to wear a gloves or apply a little oil to your hands because it can cause itching. The black stem variety that I have is less itchy compared to the other types of Colocasia, and also this black stem Colocasia is very tasty. But still, if you happen to get itching on your skin, if you are using some other kinds of stem, simply rub some tamarind on the affected area. It works like magic. After you clean the fibrous part of the Colocasia stem, cut them into small pieces. Follow the video just like how I am doing it. After chopping the Colocasia stem, wash them in 2 rounds of water. Generally, the Colocasia plant starts growing during the month of June and by the time it's September, the stem is fully matured. So you need to cook it for a long time, at least for 6 to 8 whistles. Even if the stem looks soft just like a sponge, it needs to be cooked until it becomes completely mushy and releases its content. And that's the key of getting the authentic taste of Alun Dento. I said I'm going to share the secret tip and this is it. You can follow any recipe, but this step is very important unless the stem is very tender. Now I am cooking the Colocasia stem along with hog plums and salt to taste, and let's cook this for 6 to 8 whistles. Hope you are enjoying watching this video. It's a bit lengthy, but I want to share all the tips on how to prepare this in a proper way. I just want to know how many dishes you prepare for Nativity. Please write to me in comments. Now that our Colocasia stem and the hog plums are well cooked and all the flavors are incorporated. Just look here, it's already cooked and mushy. So let's add the amaranth stem and cook for another whistle. As I said, the amaranth stem are just tender during this season, so just one whistle, or you can even cook them separately and add it to the curry. But I like to cook them along with the Colocasia stem so that all the flavors incorporates well. It's done, and now next let's do the masala. First, let's fry the fenugreek or the methi seeds. Here I've taken half teaspoon for this recipe. Many of us usually fry and keep it aside in the kitchen beforehand. So if you already have them, you can skip this step. Adding 1 teaspoon of ghee, fry 16 red chilies until you get the aroma. Then add 1/3 cup or 1 fistful of coriander seeds. Continue frying and then add 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera. Continue frying, see that you don't burn any ingredients as it may give a bitter taste to the curry. Keep the fried ingredients aside and now again adding little oil and little ghee. Let's fry the onions. So here I am using 3 onions, 6 garlic cloves and 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Fry it for some time until they are partially browned and then keep it aside. You can also check my other recipe, the link I will mention in the description box, in which I have ground the masala using coconut milk. In this recipe, I am using full coconut for masala, but in that recipe, I have used 50% for milk and 50% for the masala. So you can follow that recipe too for a different taste, but the ingredients are same. That curry is more creamy. Now I am frying the coconut again by adding little ghee. Fry it until it is beautifully browned, and just before you take it out, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and fry it for a minute and just take it aside. The mustard shouldn't over fry because again you may get a bitter taste. For grinding, add a small ball of tamarind and a spoon of turmeric powder. Take a vessel in which you want to cook the curry. Add the cooked vegetables, the colocasia and the amaranth stem. Add the ground masala and the masala water that is got after cleaning the grinder. Mix everything until you get a medium thick curry consistency. Give a good mix and wait until the curry comes to one boil. Once the curry starts boiling, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of jaggery. You can also skip jaggery if you are okay with the taste, but adding a little jaggery to this curry gives a slight twist in the taste of this curry. So I just added jaggery, and also I forgot to take a video while I am tempering. So I have used 2 sprigs curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard and 5 to 6 garlic cloves for tempering this dish. You can use this masala for any vegetable curry. Our dish is ready and let's serve it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is one of the best aloo dento recipe. So please try this nativity. Thank you.